what we're trying to do is bring in insights and understandings that we can create instantly whatever we choose to want to experience, rather than the old emotions, the old ways of behaving. And you know what's nice about this, when presence heals, you get less triggered with old patterns. They'll just fall away. You know, here's a symbology. It's like when we're going from the lower dimensions, like dimensions 1, 2, 3, 4, into the higher dimensions of 5 through 12, as an example. It's like at each level, you wear a certain amount of clothing. And when you begin to ascend, you take off certain levels of clothing until you reach a point where you don't need clothing anymore. That's your true self.